How to find a Gmail account by phone number. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can find a Gmail account by phone number. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Google in your device. After that, navigate to top right and tap on your profile icon. From here, tap on the drop down next to your profile name. Scroll down a bit and tap on Add Another Account. After that, tap on Forget Email from this interface. Then you'll be asked to enter your phone number. So type in your phone number. Then tap on Next. Then you have to enter your name. Tap on Next. Once you wait for a while, you may be asked to enter the verification code which will be sent in your mobile device. Enter the code and once you're verified, you will be able to find your account. So that's the way to find a Gmail account by phone number, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.